Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The same person I was trying to help. Been playing around, not watching much Super Bowl. I come and go. Anyway, he asked me to critique this. This is perfect. Couple of flaws. If we look at it like that, and I would suggest you draw in hairline all the time and draw in red, and that's going to signify a cut line for other people. So there's two things wrong with this file. One thing right there, that's going to cut through, so you need to clip that out of the way. The other is when you smart fill this, that doesn't fill. So that piece is going to fall out. So it's going to look, it's just going to, it's not going to cut. It's going to look like, it's going to look like this. That's the way it's going to look when you fill it in. So, you know, maybe a suggestion, take a 2-point line and go from there to there. I know what these, see, this is where if you draw in a hairline, and if you want to learn how to do that with nothing selected, just double click on your pen tool down here, pick hairline, and okay. Well, I've got something selected. So go off, make sure there's nothing selected. See, you're drawing in black. Double click on your hairline, pick on graphic, pick on hairline, and you know, RGB, and make it red. And go right here to your color palette and make it red. Then when you say okay, every time you draw that line, it's going to be in a, and I'm not, that's just the way, that's my personal preference. But if you're going to cut stuff out, you need a hairline anyway. So I would go like this, and our X's aren't perfect. So what I would do is make these perfect by ungrouping that first. I'm just going to give you a suggestion. Group and ungroup, and then you could take your shape tool and bring that up to there, and bring that up to there, and you've actually got two lines, so we need to delete that one. And then I would take and use the Smart Fill tool on that and that, take away this line, and set your nudge factor on, like, you have to get it, you have to click off everything. Let's go like 0.125, and then nudge that up. That's too much, but you could leave it there and then get rid of that set of lines. And you could actually probably get these a little bit closer to still make like that diagram. But then I would pick these and left click, right click. See, those are going to cut out. It'd be like that. So when you use the Smart Fill tool now, and see everything we've done, I suggest using the Smart Fill tool to fill that in and then move that over, and then that's your completed item ready to cut. So that won't fall out. You know, I'm getting more and more used after I see this, and if you kind of do it in, like, I'd reference it in a wood color, and that's just personal preference, to fill that in with the Smart Fill tool in a wood color. You can see the 2Ds. I mean, and see, here's that problem with that cutout. So same thing. So this would, you know, I suggested that, and he liked that. But just go over your file and think, if you have to Smart Fill something twice, it isn't going to work. You know, it's going to, you know, it's going to fall out. These are going to fall out, but this here in the middle is going to stay. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.